In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a video to an MP3 format in iPhone. Now, this is going to be very easy. I'm not going to show you some weird method using shortcuts. This is going to get the job done very easily. So I'm going to go to Photos. We're going to click on a video. Here is the video. This is just an example video, a video which has audio, a video which we're going to use to extract only the audio as an MP3 file. Now, I'm not too sure how clear that is and how loud you can hear that on video. Hopefully you can hear that. But what we're going to do, we're going to extract the audio from this video. This is very simple. So we're going to open up Google Chrome. And then once on Chrome, you want to search for MP4 to MP3. Once you've made that search, you will then see many websites which can convert video to MP3. So click on the first one, click Select File, then click on Photo Library. Then click the video you want to convert, then click Add. It will then upload that video. Then you can click Convert. Make sure you convert into MP3. Now, some of these websites have limits. I've already done this once today, so we will use another one. They all do the same thing. But once it's done converting, click on the download button. And there you go. We can now save this as a .mp3. Save to files. That's fine with me. And there we go. We're now going to click Open In. And I'm going to click Open in Downloads. So here is our audio track, which we have now converted. This is just an example video, a video which has audio, a video which we're going to use. Unsure if you can hear that, but it's definitely just converted the video to audio. But that's how I would recommend it. I hope that helped.